Module 5 is about the applications of core composites in aerospace industry. In this part, we will discuss the reasons for using this material in aerospace. So we will first introduce the core materials, followed by discussions of its properties. Following that, we will look at the current applications as well as potential applications of core composites in both aeronautical and space structures. And finally, we will discuss the conclusions of this part. Better natural materials with specific engineering qualities must be studied by researchers. A well-known natural substance, cork, has the amazing ability to change synthetic cellular material in a variety of engineering and design applications. Furthermore, in the present world, procedures are required to offer recyclable alternative to market solutions because to growing consumer awareness, governmental regulation, and eco-friendly tendencies. Core composites are created by processing cork in a variety of ways. They are fittingly related to composite used in engineering. The structure's properties are determined by how the composite material is assembled, as well as the properties and concentrations of the layers and material that make up the structure. Core composites have nearly identical properties to natural cork, such as lightness, heat and sound insulation, impact resistance, and vibration damping. In this section, mechanical, physical, and thermal properties of the core composites are discussed. Core composites are primarily used in applications that are subjected to low load and require properties such as heat and vibration insulation and impact damping, lightness, and impermeability. The use of cork in the automotive and industrial sector is already well recognized. Core composite used in the aerospace industry has diversified over the years and will continue to expand with ongoing research. The cork material groups is most used in engineering to coat the body and various parts of a spacecraft for thermal insulation purposes. Several projects have been developed and are currently being implemented to use cork material in aircraft bodies and other areas of aviation. This section provides a brief explanation of cork-based sandwich materials used in aerospace application and cork-based structural element used in space application. There are also projects available regarding using cork in aerospace structures. For protection, heat resistance, and anti-impact in aerospace, cork powder, composite, and other derived product can be used in various ways. This section discusses prospective uses of cork in space launch system installations, novel material using cork, and the use of cork in Mars explorations. This study examining the mechanical and thermal properties of cork composite as well as their current and potential application in aerospace, military, and other fields. Cork composites have been used as heat insulators for shell of space shuttle and rocket according to this part. This part also discusses the differences between foam material, various types of composites, and cork composites.